And now, a personal message from the owners of Sugar Rush Candy Shop. We're all snuggled in from the really long winter, and we're all feeling lazy, just like my beagle, Little Miss Daisy, and her sister, who we call Little Miss Silly Lily. Lily, what do you think? Do you want to go for a walk? A run? A ride in the car? Should we play ball? What do you think, Lily? What should we do today? Don't you want to get up? Don't you want to go outside? Come on, Lily, let's go. Lily, what are you dreaming about? Oh, I think I know what you're dreaming about. I know. What do you think? Should we go to Sugar Rush Candy Shop? What do you think, Lil? Come and see us down at Sugar Rush Candy Shop, 131 Main Street, Stevens Point, Wisconsin. We'll brighten up your spring day with our wide selection of chocolates and candies. So come visit us at Sugar Rush Candy Shop, 131 Main Street, Stevens Point, Wisconsin.